Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This video guides you through building a practical NLP model from start to finish. We begin by defining the task clearly, for example classification versus named entity recognition. Select a suitable dataset, such as 50, 000 labeled sentences for balanced training and testing. Decide on model family choices like transformer encoders or LSTM architectures based on latency needs. Choose evaluation metrics early, for example accuracy, F1 score, and perplexity for language models. Reserve validation and test splits, typically 80% train, 10% validation, 10% test. Finally, plan compute resources. Start by cleaning and normalizing text. Lowercase, normalize punctuation, and remove control characters. Tokenize text with BPE or WordPiece and choose a 30,000 token vocabulary for many use cases. Create training pipelines with batch size 32 and sequence length 512 to balance memory and throughput. Use an initial learning rate of 1E4 and schedule warm-up for stable convergence. Train for 3 to 10 epochs while monitoring validation loss and F1 score for early stopping. Apply augmentation techniques, class weighting, and data balancing when facing skewed labels. Log hyperparameters and checkpoints for reproducibility and comparison. Evaluate your final model on held-out test sets and report F1, precision, recall, and confusion matrices. Export the model to ONGS or Torch script and consider 8-bit quantization for faster inference and smaller memory. Benchmark latency and throughput. For real-time APIs, target latency below 50 ms per request on production hardware. Package the model with a serving stack in Docker and expose a REST endpoint with batching support. Implement logging for inputs, predictions, and confidence scores to detect drift. Collect user labels, retrain periodically, and deploy updated models with canary releases and rollback capability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.